Welcome back to Beautyistic. If you're looking to tackle stubborn wrinkles and dark circles around your eyes, you've probably heard of Neutrogena's Rapid Wrinkle Repair Retinol Pro Plus Anti-Wrinkle Eye Cream. Today, I'm diving deep into this product to give you all the essential details you need to know before adding it to your skincare routine. Let's see how this hyped-up eye cream measures up, shall we? Neutrogena's Rapid Wrinkle Repair Retinol Pro Plus Eye Cream is designed to tackle some of the most common concerns around the eyes: wrinkles and dark circles. The formula is packed with pure retinol and a micropeptide, which work together to target signs of aging, like crow's feet, while helping to restore the skin's elasticity. This cream is also dermatologist-recommended and clinically tested to be effective. Plus, it's fragrance, phthalate, paraben, and dye-free, which is a huge plus for sensitive skin. Now let's talk about the experience. I've been using this eye cream for a couple of weeks now, and I've got to say it's been an interesting journey. The cream has a smooth, lightweight texture that absorbs quickly without feeling greasy, which I really appreciate, especially for my morning routine. I found it to be gentle enough for my sensitive under eye area, but still potent in its formula. When I applied it, my skin felt hydrated instantly, and it didn't irritate or cause any stinging, which can sometimes happen with products containing retinol. Over the course of my testing, I've noticed a gradual improvement. My crow's feet, especially in the outer corners, do appear a bit smoother, and the skin under my eyes feels firmer. In terms of dark circles, I did start seeing a subtle change around the 3-week mark. The skin is definitely brighter, and the hollowness underneath my eyes has become less pronounced. If you're looking for a significant reduction in dark circles, though, you'll need to give it a bit more time. But here's the thing with retinol: it takes time to show dramatic results. If you're someone who's expecting an instant fix, that's not how this works. However, when it comes to smoothing fine lines and improving texture, this product delivers noticeable changes in just 1 week, which is impressive for an eye cream. Let's talk pros and cons. First, the pros. I love how this product is fragrance-free and hypoallergenic, which makes it a safe bet for those with sensitive skin or anyone prone to irritation. The formula is definitely hydrating, and I noticed that my under-eye area felt softer and more plump after continued use. Also, the packaging is compact and travel-friendly, and the jar provides good control when dispensing the cream. On the flip side, the cons. While the texture is smooth, it can feel a bit too lightweight for those who prefer a richer, more emollient cream under the eyes. Additionally, retinol can sometimes cause dryness or irritation, especially if you're new to it, so I'd recommend patch testing first if you've never used retinol before. And the price point might be a little steep for a product of its size, especially if you're used to larger, more affordable drugstore options. As for value for money, this eye cream is a bit on the pricey side for just 0.5 ounces of product. But when you factor in the formulation, pure retinol, micropeptides, and the fact that it's from a trusted, dermatologist-recommended brand, the cost can be justified for those looking for a high-quality, effective product for targeting fine lines and dark circles. If you're looking for similar options but want to stick to a budget, there are some decent alternatives, like Olay's Retinol 24 Night Eye Cream or L'Oreal's Revitalift Bright Reveal Brightening Eye Cream. Both offer similar benefits at a lower price, though they may not have the same high-end ingredients as Neutrogena's offering. When it comes to build quality, the packaging is pretty standard for an eye cream of this nature. The jar is small but sturdy, and the design makes it easy to access the product. As for longevity, retinol products tend to have a shelf life of about 6 months once opened, so keep that in mind if you're not going to use it every day. In terms of customer support, Neutrogena has a solid reputation for responsiveness. I've never had to reach out to them for any product issues, but if you do, they're known to be attentive and helpful in resolving any concerns. To wrap up, Neutrogena's Rapid Wrinkle Repair Retinol Pro Plus Eye Cream is a solid addition to an anti-aging skincare routine. If you're targeting wrinkles and dark circles, this product delivers impressive results in a reasonable amount of time. However, keep in mind that retinol takes time to work its magic, so patience is key. Is this review helpful to you? If so, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. Thank you for tuning in to Beautyistic. If you've tried this product, drop a comment below. Let us know your thoughts on how it worked for you. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful, inside and out.